Okay, Stuart, where are we?
We're in sunny Trieste, and boy is it sunny.
It's sunny Trieste in northern Italy, port replacement for Venice, which no longer accepts cruise ships. So it's about 32 degrees, and this is the last day of our cruise. And
Quite a nice place, I have to say.
It's actually a nice town, Trieste.
Yeah.
It's not really good. It's not too bad at all.
We had an overnight in Trieste, and that allowed many passengers to do a full and exhausting day tour to Venice. We decided to stay local, and we took the shuttle bus from the industrial port where the Riviera was docked into the town of Trieste.
Trieste, known for its Art Nouveau architecture.
We got lost trying to find the castle, but we like getting lost.
Sound of sirens in Italy. So we find our way to another beautiful, peaceful park. After the great Battle of Trieste, when we finally overcame the castle.
After surveying the castle, like this cat, we decided we had had enough, so it was back to the ship for a last dinner in the grand dining room.
There we go, that's the mimosa fruit cup. Yummy, yummy, yum. So Stu, what have we got there?
What I have here is a salad, James.
Salad, just a salad?
It's
Or
a
is it
lettuce.
any old
So
salad?
it's a lettuce salad, and it's got a blue cheese dressing,
Right.
also with anchovies.
Ah, so it's an iceberg lettuce salad, if I recall. The old iceberg lettuce. Whereas I have the crab cake. There you go. Was it Chesapeake Bay crab cake? I think it was.
It was from the Chesapeake
Bay. There we go. And so now, for the last evening meal on the cruise, we will be both having Chateaubriand. In you go, Stu. Tell me what you think. Looks nice and
It
tender.
seems pretty tender.
So you've ordered medium, whereas I ordered medium rare. All right.
Nice. It's very good.
Very good. Very good.
And that ends our cruise on the beautiful Riviera. Thank you to everybody who has liked our videos and subscribed to our channel.